Good morning and welcome to this presentation on the value of integrated marketing communications in achieving strategic outcomes for the business of Uncle Tom's Pies. The purpose of this presentation is to demonstrate the value of Uncle Tom's Pies in investing in integrated marketing communications, IMCs, and developing strategic and tactical direction using the processes within IMC to meet the objectives of new and improved advertising, particularly through using social media platforms in conjunction to strengthen their brand messaging, as well as reach the broader market segment to increase their customer base. Throughout this presentation, we'll include information regarding the background of Uncle Tom's Pies, the need for integrated marketing communications, the objectives, strategic and tactical direction for IMC makeover, and concluding with evidence suggesting why Uncle Tom's Pies would benefit from an IMC makeover moving forward. Uncle Tom's Pies was established in the early 1930s and is presently operating 17 kilometres outside of Byron Bay. Today, the business operates through a small shop within the Mullumbimby area and sells a wide variety of pastry products, coffee and grocery items. The shop is an iconic local business within the area and has a strong local audience. After undertaking a review of the social media garnered on Facebook, Instagram and their website, it has become evident that the business is not drawing the wider clientele or creating the interaction it needs to in order to promote its products. For example, if we examine the Instagram page of Uncle Tom's Pies, it is clear that there is a lack of cohesion, structure and visual coordination in their post and overall page presentation. If we compare Uncle Tom's Pies Instagram to that of another bakery, Melanie's Cakes, the clear visual appeal created by colour, structure and visual design techniques to enhance audience engagement is apparent. Therefore, more could be achieved through an IMC makeover which enhances the social media opportunities of Uncle Tom's Pies. The purpose of IMC is to ensure consistency and coordination in what message the brand is trying to send to its stakeholders. Furthermore, Caliatico defines IMC as an audience-driven business process of strategically managing stakeholders, content, channels, and results of brand communication programs. IMC is of strategic importance to businesses as it focuses on creating synergy and relationships between businesses and stakeholders. In the successful use of IMC, stakeholders should all receive the same positive messaging from all contact points, delivering higher return on investment and strengthen customer loyalty. The central objective of utilizing IMC within Uncle Tom's Pies is to create consistency in the brand messaging across all stakeholder contact points, from point of sale to signage and physical advertising to social media advertising. Furthermore, Uncle Tom's Pies requires a comprehensive communications plan to incorporate synergistic communication responses to nurture relationships between stakeholders and create loyalty for customers. The use of IMC will allow Uncle Tom's Pies to focus their communication strategies on customers as the first point in creating brand loyalty and engagement. This synergistic communication requires significant time investment into social media marketing activities, as Yusuf Bilgins considers. These results have indicated that businesses that intend to establish and maintain a successful brand communication on social media attach importance to individual communication with customers and paying strict attention to content sharing about the brand. Furthermore, Bilgin's research discovered that most successful businesses focused on the creation of content sharing about the brand, with considering being interesting and entertaining rather than regarding currentness advertisement and content of promotion. Thus, the content creation for social media marketing is vital to the creation of brand image and awareness, as well as engaging with regularity. The use of IMC requires the discussion of a strategic direction which can be used to meet the previously outlined objectives. All the internal stakeholders within the business must be aligned with the common purpose of meeting the outlined objectives and developing strong leadership to structure a creative marketing team with the purpose of putting out consistent brand messaging. In order to maximize the IMC makeover, creating and ensuring effective and clear messaging between both internal and external stakeholders is essential to the success of the strategic plan in order to have a strong positive impact on brand and financial performance. Therefore, careful and decisive action is needed by Uncle Tom's Pies management to move in a cohesive direction in the use of IMC. To successfully integrate IMC into Uncle Tom's strategic marketing direction, the use of the marketing planning process needs to be considered and followed in order to achieve the marketing strategy. The media marketing process involves 4 stages, including advertising objectives, advertising budget, message strategy, and media strategy. Firstly, the business must identify the goals of their advertisements and what they want to achieve. Secondly, the business must create a realistic budget for these advertisement objectives that is achievable and actionable. Thirdly, identifying the message to which the business wants to send its audience through their media advertising is important to ensure cohesion and brand awareness. And lastly, the business must consider their strategies for their social media use and their short and long-term goals. Within Uncle Tom's Pies, the goal of social media marketing is to reach their consumers on a variety of platforms, whilst also promoting their products to potential customers with creative and engaging content. Within this budget, Uncle Tom's Pies would benefit from hiring a social media content creator for their advertising. Therefore, considering the salary of this employee within their budget is important. Uncle Tom's Pies needs to create a cohesive message that is consistent throughout all media advertising platforms, for example, being locally owned and supporting local. Finally, the business needs to decide on what social media strategies they would like to use to portray this message, for example, by creating posts and videos, as well as utilizing visual design techniques and brand imagery. Having a strategy that is cohesive for both internal and external stakeholders will create a smoother flow, a consistent direction, and a clear process for decision making. In summation of this presentation, it is evident that the adoption of IMC is essential for the growth of brand awareness and identity for Uncle Tom's Pies. By creating a cohesive message and strategic direction which encompasses the tactical utilization of social media marketing, the business could achieve a wider clientele, clearer brand imagery, and greater engagement with their existing customers. Therefore, the adoption of this new direction is intrinsic in moving Uncle Tom's Pies in a new and bold direction. Thank you.